Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to create a 3D letter logo design in Illustrator. At first take line segment tool and draw a line. Copy this line by hold Alt. Hold Ctrl and pressing D to copy the lines according to the previous line. Select two lines and copy again by hold Alt. Select all lines and make it group. Select this line and make it group again. Now go to Edit, copy, again go to Edit, and paste in place. Drag it to half of this lines. Now select everything, go to Align and click on Horizontal Align Center. Now select this line, go to Edit, copy, again go to Edit and paste in place. Rotate this line at 180 degree. Now take elliptical mark tool and draw a circle according to the top left corner. Follow this process. Select everything and take Shape Builder tool. Select Fill Color is black. Now drag carefully so that no mistake is made. Follow this process. Friends, if you need this logo and if you need any help let me know, then feel free tell me in the comment box. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.